Hello students, welcome to the e-classes of computer. Here in this class we'll start the second chapter, that is the logo part 2. And students, let me clear you one thing, that in your semester there will be 3 chapters, that is chapter number 1, chapter 2 and chapter 4. Okay, so chapter 1 and chapter 4 we did earlier. Now we'll start chapter number 2, that is logo part 2. Students, you have learned some basic logo commands in your previous class. Like in your class 4th, you have studied some logo commands. Okay, in your previous class, that is your class 4th. And you are able to draw simple logo drawings like square, triangle, star, etc. Okay, so you know how to draw these star, triangle, square, rectangles and all. Okay, now in this chapter we will learn some more advanced logo commands and some of the important options of logo menu. So here we will do only the theory part. The practical part we will do afterwards. Okay, means in your next class we will start the practical part. In this class we will do the theory part. Let us firstly quickly revise the basic commands of logo. The basic commands which you have been learnt in your 4th standard. Okay, FD means to move the turtle in the forward direction. BK means to move the turtle in the backward direction. RT, to turn the turtle's head on the right side. LT, to turn the turtle's head on the left side. CS means to clear the logo screen and to bring the turtle at its home position. Okay, logo screen पूरा clear कर देगा and it will bring the turtle at its home position. Home position is what? Correct, at the center of the screen. So at the center of the screen is the home position of the turtle. You have been learned in the 4th standard. Yeah. Now is CT, to clear the commands given to the logo. CT is what? To clear the commands given to the logo. Now is HT. HT means to hide the turtle. Turtle को गुम कर देने का, hide कर देने का. ST, to display the hidden turtle. ST means to display the hidden turtle. जो turtle हमने hide कर दिया using HT command, उसको वापस show करने के लिए, उसको वापस display करने के लिए what we will use? We will use ST command. Then is home, to bring the turtle to its home position, that is in the center of the logo screen. Clean, to clear the screen without changing the turtle's position. Turtle का position change किए बिना पूरी screen को clear कर देने का, that is clean. Then is PU, to lift the turtle's pen up so that it will not draw lines when moved. जब भी वो move करेगा वो line draw नहीं करेगा because उसका pen up हो गया. Okay, that is PU. Now pen PD, जब pen को हमको down करके पूरा draw करना है lines, means to put the turtle's pen down to again start drawing by moving the turtle. Now to change the pen size. अब pen size को change कैसे करेंगे? Means कितना पतला चाहिए, कितना मोटा चाहिए pen size, according to that you will draw the lines ना. The pen size option of the set menu is used to increase or decrease the thickness of the pen with which the turtle draws the diagram. Clicking on the set pen menu option will display the dialog box. Okay, by clicking on the set menu के बाद आप कहाँ click करोगे? Pen size. Then it will show the dialog box. According to that you can change the size of the pen. I will show you on the next class. You can select different pen size by clicking on them, or you can set the pen size by sliding down the size scroll bar. Okay. To change the pen color, अब पेन कलर कैसे चेंज करेंगे आप? The pen color option of the set menu is used to change the color of the turtle's pen with which it draws the diagram. Okay, color कैसे आप change करोगे? Pen color. Clicking on set pen color. पहले क्या था? Size. तो set pen size. Now is set pen color. Option will display the dialog box. You can select the different pen color by clicking on them, or you can set the pen color by sliding the red, green and the blue scroll bars. Okay, how many colors you have? 3. That is red, green and blue. Now to change the screen color means background आपको अगर change करना है, so how you will do it? As we start logo, the graphic area is displayed with white background color. Means by default screen क्या होगी? White color की होगी. Set screen color option is used to change the background color, that is the screen color of the logo screen. It displays the same screen as pen color. जो आपका पेन कलर होगा उसी हिसाब से आपका वो स्क्रीन में दैट इज द बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज होगा. एंड यू कैन सेट द डिजायर्ड स्क्रीन कलर एंड प्रेस ओके बटन. उसके बाद अगर आपको चेंज करना है यू कैन डू इट ओके बाय प्रेसिंग द डिजायर्ड कलर एंड ओके बटन. अब हम सीखेंगे यूज ऑफ रिपीट कमांड इन लोगो. अब हमको हर एक चीज़ बार बार लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. वी हैव अ रिपीट कमांड ओवर हियर. बाय यूजिंग द रिपीट कमांड वी कैन रिपीट any commands which we want of any number of times. Okay, the repeat command of the logo is very useful. Using the repeat command we can execute logo commands many times just by writing it once. एक ही बार अगर हम लिखेंगे तो हो जाएगा. Let us understand the use of repeat command by an example. The following are the commands to draw the square with size 75. कौन सा size है square का? 75. CSCT means हमने पहले पूरा क्लियर कर दिया स्क्रीन को और टेक्स्ट को भी सब क्लियर कर दिया. Okay, so now the commands are FD, that is a forward direction 75. क्यों 75 लिया हमने यहाँ पे? Because size हमारा 75 है क्वेश्चन में. Then is RT 90 साइड 90 डिग्री में वो मूव करेगा. Then FD 75, RT 90 means in short हमने सारे कमांड्स रिपीट किए. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 4 टाइम्स. क्यों 4 टाइम्स हमने रिपीट किया? बिकॉज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर हैज हाउ मेनी साइड्स? 4 साइड्स. ओके, here you have been noticed that FD 75 and RT 90 commands are written 4 times. कितनी बार लिखा हुआ था? 4 times. Since a square has 4 sides. Using repeat command, the above commands can be written as, देखो repeat, we will use this command repeat and 4 क्यों? Because you have to repeat the same command how many times? 4 times. Then we have to write the following, that is our command, that is FD 75 RT 90 within the square bracket. Okay, the square bracket is important. We have to write within the square brackets. The command written after the repeat command indicates how many times we want to repeat, how many times we want the commands to be repeated. The commands after repeat command should be written within the square brackets. Okay, students? Okay, now to draw a triangle of size 200. Okay, draw the triangle of size 200. तो यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल का सबसे पहले कितने साइड्स होते हैं? ट्राइंगल के 3 साइड्स होते हैं. सो वी विल राइट रिपीट 3. ओके, देन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट आ जाएगा. अब FD 200 हमने क्यों लिया? बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में साइज ही 200 है. ओके, सो FD 200. देन RT 120. अब ये 120 आया कहाँ से? ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू लिसन and understand that the total sum is 360 and how many times we have to repeat this command? 3 times. So 360 divided by 3 is what? 120, तो ये 120 वहाँ से आया. Understood? Yeah. Now to draw the hexagon of the size 100. अब hexagon में कितने sides होते हैं? 6 sides होते हैं. Okay? Then repeat 6. What we will write? Repeat 6. Then the square bracket FD 100. 100 क्यों? Because size is 100 in the question. Okay? Then is RT 60. अब ये 60 कहाँ से आया? Again the same. 360 divided by 6. Okay? 360 divided by 6 is 60. तो ये 60 यहाँ से आया. Then to draw a pentagon of size 175. Again pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. So repeat 5. Then the square bracket FD 175 because question में 175 है. Then is RT 72. 72 कहाँ से आया? 360 divided by 5. That is 72. Okay. So to draw a rectangle of size 80 and 150. Okay. Repeat 2. 2 क्यों करेंगे? Because length and breadth होता है. Okay. So repeat 2. Then is FD 80 because 80 question में है. Then is RT 90. RT 90 कहाँ से आया? 360 divided by 4. How? 4 because length भी 2 होते हैं and breadth भी 2 होते हैं. Okay. And दोनों का साइज अलग अलग है. Then is FD 80 and RT 90. Then is FD 150. 150 is given in the question. Then is RT 90. In the above example you have noticed that the multiplication of the value of the repeat command and the value of the RT is always 360. As I explained you earlier, total value of the RT should always be 360. This is necessary to draw a complete closed diagram. एक complete closed diagram के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? 360 total चाहिए. Okay? Hope you have understood everything. Okay, students. In the next class, we will do the practical part of this one. Okay, students. Thank you.